we are going to see what is it that they are hiding, why are they hiding things from you, and what do they have in mind. That is what we are going to see in this video. And yes, this video is like a general video. This is like a timeless video. If you were just doing anything on YouTube and you came across this video, then you actually need to watch this video. Okay, and yes, there are going to be, because this is a general reading, there are going to be a few things that are going to resonate with you. There are going to be a few things that will not be resonating with you. Whatever resonates, you have to keep it. Whatever does not resonate, you have to let it go. And yes, because you are watching this video, I said it is meant, there is going to be some or the other message that is embedded in this video that is meant for you to watch. So make sure that you watch this entire video. Okay, telling you something about myself. I am Preeti. I have been doing tarot since past 19 plus years, and in these 19 years I have read for like thousands of people. Yes, to be to be accurate, that's going to be like 50k plus people. And the only reason is that I could reach out to those people is through the mode of tarot. Okay, so yeah, so that being said, I just shared that with you so that you know that you are in responsible hands. Okay, so let's get started. What is this person, what do they have in mind, and what is it that they are, and why are they hiding things from you? Okay, so that is what we are going to see. So make sure that you close your eyes, do a prayer that whatever answers you are supposed to receive through this video, ask your God, ask your spirit guides to help you, to guide you correctly through this video. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so here we are having several cards. I'm just going to start reading one after the other. Okay, so the first card we have here is this card. So this person is having some or the other method of earning money, some or the other new way that they are thinking that they could invest into something. They could start a new business, they could invest into a new business. They have something in their mind, and I think they want to hide it from you. Okay, so this is what they have in their mind, and they're, oh, excuse me, I was just having something, I just thought I'm just going to burp. Okay, which is why there was a little bit of break in the video. So this card actually says that this person is wanting to start something new, to bring a new source of income, because of which yes, this card actually shows that yes, that there is something new that is cooking on in their mind. They don't want to yet share it with anybody. They also have this yes, they are also having this additional you can say like a greedy, miserly attitude. And a lot of times people measure this as a method of a negative, measure this like a negative quality in somebody. But when somebody is acting greedily about their money, when somebody is acting miserly about the money that they have, it is usually that it's they may have less money at hand, which because of which they are like likely to do this. They are forced to do this. Okay, the next card we see here is this says that this person is going to, they are feeling that they should take quick actions. Okay, they should take quick actions, they should be quick in taking decisions. And because yes, they are also going to do it stealthily. They are going to do something stealthily, they are going to do something quickly and stealthily. These two are not a good combination of cards. Okay, and yes, and they, shit, I just feel they are trying to steal something. They are trying to steal something from somebody, and this could be somebody is showing off something to them, and they just feel that this is something that they should be it should be taken away, and which is why they could be planning to steal it. Okay, this card actually shows that this person on face value in front of people, they try to do something, they try to listen to others, they try to listen to the plan, they try to be somebody who is attentive and listening, they try to be somebody who is creative. I think this is to mask their real personality. And this card says that yes, they have a very sharp mind, they have a very yes, a mind blowing mind that can give them ample amount of ideas out of nowhere whenever they need them. Okay, and yes, this person is planning to get a lot of success out of whatever they are doing. So they are trying to steal something quickly and stealthily from somebody. Okay, and this could be like literally stealing, or it could be intellectual stealing, it could be intellectually taking away something from somebody. Intellectual stealing is where, you know, usually people they just go away very easily by saying that, oh, you had the same idea, I had the same idea, and we are just going by it. Okay, so this is what is, you know, could happen. This is was also what could happen, or it could be literally stealing. And yes, so that is what is, you know, is going on in this person's mind, and they are hiding it from you. Now, stealing is not something that people would be proud of doing. They are not going to proudly show it off. Oh, they are going to do this, they are going to steal that, right? People are not going to be comfortable about it. Also, if you are watching this video, let me tell you, to be honest and to be honestly earning your thing, to be doing some work, to be working on your dreams and earning, yes, earning some result based on your hard work is definitely the one of the best things you can do to get success. The success that you get by your hard work is something that nobody can take away from you. Okay, so yes, now let's see something, some other cards to shed some light on what is happening. Because yes, you know, if this is happening, this person is hiding something from you, and if you need to know something, if there are certain things that you have to be careful about, or the universe wants to give you certain instructions, then let's see what is that. Okay, so yes, let's see what is the card saying. Okay, so first of all, we have this card. So first card we get is this. It's time for action. Taking things are fast tracked to unfold quickly and smoothly. So first of all, this card says that it is the time for taking action. It is the time for taking quick and smooth actions. Okay, now quick actions does not mean that you should not think about them, you should not plan about them. Yes, these are the strategic actions that you have to now just start quickly taking, so that you can get the desired result. Now you may say, okay, what are those strategic actions? It depends on what plans you have done till now, whatever dreams you have had till now. Your actions are going to be based on that. Okay, now let's see what is going to be the next thing. Okay, so yes, yeah, I'm just trying to spread the cards here. If you guys are thinking that what am I doing looking down, and what's here. Okay, so here I have my cards, and yes, for some reason I don't have enough space here so that I can put my cards here so that you can see them. It's not possible. Yes, whenever whenever any video is showing the face, it's not possible to show the table, it's not possible to show the cards. Whenever you have to see the cards, it's not possible it's not possible for somebody to see the face, right? So here I'm just choosing to pick up the cards and show it to you while I even show myself. Okay, so yes, what is it that you have to, yes, what is it that the universe wants to tell my viewers? Yes, what is it that my universe has to tell my viewers about this person, this situation? Okay, so let's get started one by one. First of all, we have is this handcuff card. Handcuff card is showing about you have to break free of something. Somebody has handcuffed you. It could be even your own belief system. It could be something or the other has handcuffed you, something or the other has tied you up, and you have to free yourself of those shackles. The second thing you see here is, yes, you have to make sure that you indulge into spiritual practices, you indulge into yogic practices that are going to help you to, yes, to clear off your energy centers, to clear off your aura. The next thing we see here is that it's a very likely card. What does the very likely card mean? Very likely card says at this time the situation or outcome is likely to occur. So whatever situation you were waiting for a long time to happen, whatever outcome you are waiting for a very long time to happen, this card says that it is very likely that it will happen. It may happen during this time when you are watching this video. Okay, the next card we see is the card of Phoenix. Phoenix is the bird that it wakes up, it takes a rebirth from its own ashes, Yes, so this is, what you are supposed to be. So wherever you just thought that everything is over, nothing can be done, all there are no hopes in that direction, this card actually says that you have to emerge as a phoenix from that situation. The next card we see here is the Sapphire card. And what does the Sapphire do? Sapphire is actually showing mental force, how much, yes, your mental force, spiritual insight, open faith, wise judgment, all of these power and strength. So all the positive energies, all the positive powers of your mind is what your sapphires, yes, the sapphire is actually showing. So this is what you are supposed to have with you, yes, while you are dealing with this person. Okay, so yeah, so that is it. And about the situation card, right, I said this situation is likely to occur. The about that person we were seeing, right, that what is it that this person is hiding from you. It could be that we were talking about that they are trying to steal something. So maybe they are trying to steal something presently at this moment from somebody. Okay, it could be that they could be like they are going to steal from you. Yeah, who knows, right? So yeah, so that is it for today's video. I hope that this video has helped you. If you have liked this video, hit the like button. Try to share this video with others. I will see you again in my next video. Do stay subscribed to my channel. Let me know in the comment box below how does this video help you. And after watching this video, if you feel that you want to ask additional questions from me from the tarot so that I can help you with your questions, by all means we can do it, but you have to book a consultation for that. The video that you're watching is for free. If you want any more help from me, yes, by doing tarot, then you have to pay for a consultation. Yes, the number that's given on the screen, please don't directly call on the number. If you want to take a consultation, please WhatsApp me and you will get the details how to book a consultation. The calls will go unanswered. Okay, yeah, this is something that it's like I have to do, because it's not possible for me to receive like 1,000 phone calls and still give quality stuff to you, right? So yeah, so, and after booking a consultation, after the payment is confirmed, you will be given the date and time of the consultation. During that date, during that time, the consultation will be done either via a phone call or via a video call. Okay, so that being said, yeah, that is the end of this video. Until next time, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.